Hello everyone, this is Chef Rajeev Janveja. I am the Senior Vice President and Corporate Chef for Lemon Tree Hotels. My culinary journey has been 4 decades now. So, of course, inspiring is like it started from home. I used to love seeing my mother doing a lot of cooking. And unfortunately or fortunately, I didn't have a sister. So it became more obvious than when mother was out of the house, I used to get a chance to cook at home. And that's how the culinary journey started. I used to do small cooking for my father at home, and which he used to love it. And when my mother was back, especially when my mother used to be at my nani's house, when she used to come back, my father used to tell all the stories to my mother that, Rajeev made this, and my nickname was Raju. So like he made this, he made that, and mother used to, really tell me, oh, you can do all that. So that's how the story started. It basically starts for everyone from home, and that's how it becomes. Challenges, I would say, of course, learning time में बहुत challenges आते हैं when your culinary journey starts. Before that, in fact, let me tell you, my grandfather was not ready to put me in a hospitality industry, and it was difficult task for me to convince him. So what I did is, before doing the hotel management, I joined a hotel, and this was fortunately my father's friend. He was running a hotel. So my father requested that if I could be put in that hotel for some time and let me see if I can work. I really like to work there. So, and can I prove myself? So somehow it happened that I started working there, and within a month, my father's friend called him and saying that your son is doing so well, and I would like to keep him here and probably work as a night manager, because we need somebody in the night. And what happened that I was so happy to work there that I started working in front office. Actually started from front office, but my heart was all the time dying in F&B and kitchen. So I requested that in my free time I would like to work in the kitchen, and that's how the culinary journey started. That was the first challenge which I had to beat. And when I joined the industry, it was way back in 1985 at the Taj Mahal Hotel, New Delhi. The training was, of course, a tough task. After doing hotel management, you have to learn a bit of, I wouldn't say it's dirty, but some things which you may not like to do, or carrying of a charcoal bag, or cleaning a tandoor, or the piping of tiles. So that was sometimes used to become demotivating, but somehow I always used to think that this is also a part of hygiene, is very important, a part of kitchen, and that's also one needs to learn. If I don't learn, how would I get the things done from other people? Because at the one day I will rise in my career where I was looking at. And those kind of challenges I could beat slowly with my own mind change and mindset, and this is what small challenge. And our industry is always a challenge. There is a new guest, he wants different food, and then becomes a challenge to make food to his choice. That's another challenge you keep facing every day. So industry is of a challenge, and one is to be ready always to beat it. So I enjoy beating all these challenges. There is another recipe which is dum Achari Gosht. And when you say Achar Gosht, everybody thinks that there will be pickle paste which will be added. But my Achar Gosht is not with that. It is just made with dahi and onions and panch foran masala with some ginger garlic paste and oil. That's it. There is nothing else which is added in that. And I cook it on dum. And I have perfected it so well that every time I make it, it becomes more better for me. It is from Awadh. It's a dum, it's a dish which is cooked on a sealed pot. So it's in a dum and a very slow cooking fire. So that is what is the history of that dish.